opened the door to someone, I never opened the door. So I really, really appreciate it.
Takes a man to say that. What about you, Alfie?
This guy has helped me shed so much that I've been holding on my shoulders. I've been carrying around for a long time. I've gained so much strength
Cheetah.
from it. It's made me want to be a better man. It's made me want to be a better father. But
Cheetah.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Cheetah.
Chelsea, what about you? I thought
Cheetah.
I was strong and confident and didn't really have much
May
to
chuyên cover
deal
for
with until he kept saying, I see one man, it'll slow your stuff, it's the will. But it's still, when I went in there, I went right back to being just a 5-year-old scared
Cheetah.
girl, and it was so freaky for me, but if that never happened,
Cheetah.
I wouldn't have been able to do the bit. All I've really wanted in life is to feel like safe, and the safest place I ever felt was just swinging on that